just a sound test for you guys to hear what it sounds like with the secondary cat removed. I also have a decibel meter that we're going to use just to this is not an official test or anything, just to show how loud it is from this far away. It's hard to tell on the computer speakers or any speakers, so I also have a remote to turn on and open and close the valves. So by default, when you start it, the valves are open and I can manually close it. That's valves closed. You can see the decibel is reading about 88, 90. Valves open. Closed. And this is cold start. Absolutely louder. This is with the valves closed. I'll open it back again. Valves are still open, but at low idle, it's not really as loud. I'll actually close the valve to show you how quieter it'll be. We're gonna do some light revs. Right now the valves are open. Valves closed.